Over the last few years, we have focused on improving our self-propelled sprayer line through the introduction of our latest 4 Series sprayers. These machines deliver plenty of customer value, starting with the increased versatility of a dry spinner spreader conversion, along with direct injection of products to better manage today's complex tank mixes. We increased productivity with wider boom widths and faster spraying speeds, and increased plumbing efficiencies to address today's need for higher application rates and loading efficiencies, plus the automation of solution command system at the load station. Not to mention the comfort and convenience of operating from the Command View 2 Plus cab. But we didn't stop there. We continued to look for innovative ways to protect and nurture crops through new sprayer technology. You recently saw evidence of this with the AutoTrack Vision and RowSense guidance systems, which we introduced in May. Through conversations with customers, we also learned the importance of helping them improve spray efficacy, increase productivity, and reduce costs. And today, we're excited to share with you a solution that does just that. Introducing the John Deere ExactApply Nozzle Control System, a precision solution to protect and maximize the yield potential of crops planted with today's premium seed. It's another of our precision ag efforts to develop solutions that are easier, smarter, and more precise. The technology behind ExactApply delivers the precise application needed for increased spray efficacy that leads to better weed and pest control. That same technology helps maintain a consistent droplet size through a wider spray range than both conventional spray technology and our competitors. One job where precise application and consistent droplet size are vital is in dealing with the persistent problem of herbicide-resistant weeds. Killing herbicide-resistant weeds requires the best possible application, often under adverse conditions and in a tight application window. You're about to see how ExactApply can handle this and all other spraying jobs better than any other spray technology on the market today. Let's take a closer look.
The advanced technology of ExactApply takes spraying performance and precision to a whole new level. ExactApply helps maximize coverage for greater efficacy, minimizes skips and overlaps for lower chemical cost, improves drift control, and covers more acres efficiently. Along with their latest sprayer and spray start controls, ExactApply creates the most innovative and productive sprayer system on the market today. All this precision and better coverage lead to the main reason for spraying in the first place: better weed, insect, or disease control. It also provides the ability to apply high rates of liquid nitrogen. Let's look at the advantage ExactApply offers in killing herbicide-resistant weeds.
Timing is critical when spraying herbicide-resistant weeds because the application window can be very narrow. For example, Palmer Amaranth needs to be sprayed when it's 2 inches or less for effective control. At 4 inches, the control percentage drops to 76% and, as you can see, deteriorates very quickly beyond 4 inches in height. And because it can grow 1.5 inches per day, this weed goes from manageable to out of hand in just 1 or 2 days. Here is another example of what can happen by delaying weed control for even a short time. The palmer that was on the right was sprayed with FlexStar at 3 inches tall. The palmer on the left was sprayed 2 days later at 6 inches tall. By delaying just 48 hours, yield potential was severely impacted, not to mention weed seed production that will cause future problems. So working fast and efficiently in tight windows is a must. But as we know, we can't be in too big a hurry. With current spraying systems, increasing spraying speed increases the risk of driftable fines and poor coverage. ExactApply helps operators maintain a consistent droplet size and rate for effective coverage, and across a wider range of speeds. That's the advantage of ExactApply with enhanced hybrid pulse width modulation. While other companies have similar technology, they pulse slower at only 10 times per second or 10 Hz, while ExactApply pulses up to 30 times per second or 30 Hz. ExactApply is able to deliver a more consistent droplet size from each nozzle over a wider range of speeds, doing it all with more constant spray pressure and rate. This broadens the operating range of a given nozzle over a range of spraying speeds. There's no need to compromise with one nozzle that makes you work slower or work faster and risk drift, or take the time to get out of the cab so you can change to a different nozzle. ExactApply also maintains precision control through turns, with turn compensation. While the inside section of the boom moves at a slower speed than the outer section through a turn, the pulse width modulation of ExactApply maintains the target application rate at each sprayer tip for a consistent rate across the entire width of the boom throughout the turn. That means less potential for product burn to the crop and maximum spray efficacy. Here's another benefit of ExactApply: the unique flexibility to apply high rates of liquid nitrogen at the right rate and in tight time frames with fewer limitations on ground speed than other systems. The ability to apply high rates precisely also helps control costs of liquid in. And faster ground speeds mean no need to slow down or change nozzles to get the right rate. Internal factory testing shows a 25% increase in flow through the nozzle outlet with ExactApply compared to aim command on a case sprayer. This is particularly important at higher flow rates like top dressing UAN. ExactApply also offers flexibility and ease of use for a variety of different spray applications. That's because in addition to optimizing the spray droplet size for a given nozzle, ExactApply can reduce the amount of time the nozzle is open, allowing an 08 nozzle to perform like a smaller 06, 04, or 02 tip. For example, if an 08 tip pulses open half the time, it works like half the tip size, or an 04. So fewer nozzles are needed to accommodate different spray rates and speed ranges. Another way ExactApply delivers job flexibility is with more nozzle choices. Each turret on the spray boom holds 6 nozzles designed to work in pairs of 2. Competitors only offer one nozzle with one pulsing frequency. Our ability to switch from one nozzle to the other in a pair, combined with our enhanced pulse width modulation, sets ExactApply apart in the industry. No other company offers both. That's why ExactApply offers more flexibility, whatever the spraying job may be. Each turret on the spray boom allows you to work with 3 pairs of nozzles, for a total of 6 nozzle choices. Having 3 pair of nozzles to work with means you can set up a pair of nozzles for 3 different spray jobs. One pair can be used for pre- and post-emerge herbicide application, another pair for pre- and post-emerge liquid fertilizer, and a third pair for post-emerge plant health application of fungicide or insecticide. No need to replace nozzles for different spraying jobs. Just rotate the nozzles on the turret. ExactApply also features on-the-go nozzle switching that lets you switch between the 2 nozzles in a selected pair when conditions change. Here's an example. Say you want to outline the border of a field where you are especially concerned about drift. Nozzle switching lets you outline the field with a large droplet low-drift nozzle, and then switch to another nozzle focused on coverage with a smaller droplet size. Just touch the screen in the cab to switch to that larger droplet size around critical border areas, waterways, or sensitive crops, all while maintaining optimal droplet size throughout the rest of the field for effective control. This nozzle switching can also occur automatically through speed changes in the field. As you get up to speed through a headland turn, output switches from one nozzle to the other to maintain consistent droplet size and rate as you gain ground speed. Now, how about a sprayer with lighted nozzles that lets you spray with confidence in the low light of dusk or dawn, or even after dark? That's what ExactApply gives you with LED lights on each nozzle. It can be difficult to find the time and conditions to get all spraying done during the day. With ExactApply, you can take advantage of the low wind conditions at dusk and dawn for better spraying, and even cover more acres per day. Plus, there's the peace of mind of spraying in low light without the risk of plugged nozzles that would otherwise go unseen in the dark. Customers will also appreciate the peace of mind offered by the exclusive feature of nozzle plug detection. This helps assure ongoing performance and a quality job by alerting operators to any restriction in nozzle flow or an electrical issue affecting the performance of the nozzle body. A warning appears on the 2630 display in the cab when a nozzle needs attention, and an alarm sounds if nozzle failure is detected. In addition, a nozzle LED will flash to alert the operator to a restricted or plugged nozzle tip. This early warning is much better than discovering a skip later in the season. And when checking those plugs, or for routine maintenance before beginning a job, our diagnostic key fob makes it easy to check individual nozzles for optimum performance. This ultimately saves time, reduces wasted inputs, and minimizes spotty application. ExactApply boosts precision and productivity, as you've seen, but there are also cost savings with ExactApply. Studies show a 2 to 5% decrease in chemical use with the individual nozzle control of ExactApply. Instead of controlling a 10 to 12 foot section of boom, the output of each nozzle is automatically controlled down to the 15 or 20-inch nozzle spacing. Like all other John Deere technology, ExactApply is a totally integrated solution that functions seamlessly with our 2630. No additional displays or buttons needed. And it's simple to set up and operate using the 2630 display. Intuitive controls are at the operator's fingertips. In addition, customizable run pages make this system easy to use for operators at all experience levels. Paired with JD Link Connect, it enables a connection to your equipment wherever it may be. It's also helpful for partnering with your dealer through Service Advisor Remote that allows for off-site diagnostic capability.
We've mentioned exclusive and industry first a number of times here for ExactApply. That's because no sprayer of any color offers all these advantages in performance, uptime, and cost of operation. ExactApply sets a new standard in quality spraying, with more precise application and better coverage, less wasted chemical and lower cost, all combined with easy-to-use technology integration that ensures peace of mind.